I'm Maria Ante. I am a mom. I'm a lawyer. I've been practicing for almost 12 years and almost exclusively practicing family law. My husband, Tim, and I met. We were 20 and 21. We've been married now almost 15 years. I have an 8-year-old son and a 5-year-old daughter. Family matters more than anything. That's the most important aspect of my life, and I think it would probably be the most important aspect of everyone's life. Starting with my parents, they are shirts off the back kind of people. I've actually seen them do that. I've seen my dad take a hat off and give it to a person at a game that, their forehead was getting burned. My mom is the same way. She was a special ed teacher and really had a soft spot for kids, a soft spot for being a teacher and a leader. I'm one of 4. I have an older brother, a younger brother, and a younger sister. My older brother is a musician. He's very artistic. A big part of my life was kind of following in his footsteps, from my first job at a pizza place to another job at a restaurant. I really loved working with him and learning from him and growing in that way. My little sister, she is one of the coolest people I know. She's very artistic. I've always considered her my built-in best friend. My little brother, there's a lot of reasons why I just love and adore him too, but one of the key moments in my life, and professionally speaking, was when he found out about a daughter he didn't know he had until she was 18 months old. He came to my house, showed me a picture. It was this very distinctive looking little girl. She had bright red hair and just like this beautiful pale skin. No denying this child, it was his. That really was like a critical moment for me deciding I want to do family law, because I saw what impact that had on him. Going through the court process, from establishing paternity to the custody piece of things to all the things that have followed since then, that was something that I watched firsthand as a bystander, not as a lawyer, and saw how difficult but amazing and wonderful and hard that was. It still has a major impact on my life, and why I decided to do that kind of work. The family that I have, I just feel, how did I even get so lucky? How did this happen? I have an obligation and a duty and a desire to help other people find some degree of that. An inch of that better for a grandparent or a parent or a child, an adoptive parent, a foster parent. If I can just make an inch of their life better to give them a fraction what I've got, would be a success to me. The family experiences, the background, my personal story makes me capable of handling the kinds of cases that are going to come before this court. Having dealt with hundreds of families on my professional side, having practiced these kinds of cases for many, many years, and seeing all of the nooks and crannies that are involved in each of those cases to be able to be an effective judge. I just happen to have experienced it both as a professional representing other people and also experiencing it personally with my brother and watching what happened, not knowing about a daughter, and how that was navigated and how critical that was. Life is heartbreaking, and then it's amazing, and then it's mundane and ordinary and even boring sometimes. In order to enjoy the really amazing times, it's about family. To get through the really heartbreaking or difficult times, it's about family. And I hope that as a Kenton County family court judge, that I can help people experience the wonderful in a better way and get through the really difficult a better way. Because I certainly was lucky enough to have that in my life. As a lawyer and a mom and someone who is passionate about family, being a family court judge, I can help people in the sense that I will listen and they will be heard. That's what most people that are walking into a courtroom want. They want to be heard. They want to tell their story. That's what everybody wants. They want to be heard.